Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a radar chart on your Google Sheets on your mobile phone. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a radar chart on your Canva Sheets on your mobile phone. To insert the radar chart, first I just going to select the data. So click it and just drag it and just select the data, enter data you just needed. Then click on the elements on the bottom, and here you just need to click on the charts first. Click on the charts, see all option. Then just go to the bottom section. You can find option called other charts. Click on the see all option again, and here you have the third chart as I just talking about is the radar chart. Click this. Now you can find all the data on the bottom like label and items and the series. You can just easily customize and click on the customize option to change the legends and access labels and also other more settings. And if you just need to change the color, it's so simple to change just by tapping it. If you just need a more color, you can just use the color wheel option to make a different colors. And also you have other more options like if you are just needed a line weight should be increases, you can just use this to make it simple or weightage. And also the full transparency can also be adjusted like this or to this. So you can just have a full customization option. This is how you just insert a radar chart on your Canva sheets on your mobile phone. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.